Have you ever imagined what it would be like to live without the constant ringing in your ears? Let me tell you a story that could change your life. Not long ago, Maria, a 52-year-old woman, began to notice a constant sound in her ears. At first, she thought it was something simple, something that would go away with time. But the days went by, and the sound, the ringing, the buzzing, was always there, affecting her day-to-day life. She couldn't enjoy a conversation without being distracted by the noise. Sleeping became a challenge, and worst of all, she was losing the enjoyment of life's simple moments. She had tests done, tried medications, and even explored some popular remedies, but nothing seemed to work. She was starting to lose hope. Then one afternoon, Maria came across something that made her stop. It was a simple video with a different approach. No miraculous promises, no instant cures, but something about that video felt different. In it, she learned that the ringing in her ears wasn't just a local issue, something isolated to the ears. It was something deeper. A recent scientific discovery had revealed that the true cause could be linked to sensory cells that connect the ears to the brain. And when these cells are damaged, they can affect how the brain processes sounds, causing the ringing. The most surprising part, with a simple change in daily routine, it was possible to support these cells and restore balance. Maria, like many others, didn't know this. She thought it was too late to reverse the situation. But what she didn't realize was that with the right approach, it was possible to regain control of her hearing health without expensive medications or invasive treatments. Today, months later, Maria enjoys days without the ringing. Not only did she regain clarity in her hearing, but her quality of life has improved in surprising ways. She's sleeping well again, enjoying conversations with friends without distractions, and most importantly, she's regained the confidence she thought was lost. What about you? Imagine waking up and not hearing that annoying sound in your ears anymore. Imagine regaining your peace of mind and mental clarity without relying on temporary or costly solutions. The good news is, you can too. There are simple changes that can make a big difference, and today, you can start that journey. You don't have to stay in the same situation. Click Learn More now and discover how you can take the first step to eliminate the ringing and improve your hearing health in a natural, effective way. The solution is within your reach. And the first step is just a click away.